Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cloud billing with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on cloud billing with Stripe, start by evaluating your current usage. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the billing section. Review your billing details to identify your most significant costs. Analyze the services and features that you utilize most frequently. Consider alternative pricing plans offered by your cloud provider. Look for any volume discounts or tiered pricing structures. Examine whether you can optimize your usage to fit these plans. Set up usage alerts to monitor your spending in real time. Create budgets and thresholds to remain proactive about your cloud costs. Implement automation for scaling resources based on demand. Utilize Stripe's reporting tools to track expenses over time. Investigate the possibility of combining services for a better rate. Explore any promotional offers or credits from your cloud provider. Periodically reassess your cloud needs as your business grows. Engage with Stripe support for personalized billing insights. Apply any necessary adjustments based on your assessments. Document your cost-saving strategies for future reference. Stay informed about updates in cloud billing practices. Leverage community forums or resources for shared experiences. Continuously monitor your cloud expenses to ensure savings persist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.